Hey everybody, it's Anthony from SlidRoll. Today we're at the Plano Skate Park and we're going to give away the J. Valdez signature deck. Thanks to our guys over at Lynx Skate Co. Go check them out on Instagram, go to their website. They got all kinds of merch on there and other decks. Yeah, so let's go have some fun and give some stuff away. Alright, so let's go over to the 5-stair and let's do best trick for the deck and the t-shirt. Thanks again to all of our friends over at Lynx. I hope you guys enjoy the video. I'll see you guys out there.